Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, a lot of you no doubt would have seen the headlines a week or so ago that Canada was interested in about 1 million or so Nigerians migrating to their country. So that was the headline making the rounds about a week or so ago. So the Canadians have now come out to react and respond to that storyline. So, Canada says it did not beg Buhari for 1 million Nigerian immigrants. So that's the headline, so you already know where this is heading. The Canadian High Commission in Nigeria has dismissed a report that its Prime Minister, Justin Trudeau, begged President Muhammadu Buhari for at least 1 million Nigerian immigrants. CBTV had reported that the Canadian Prime Minister had written to Buhari to allow at least 1 million Nigerians to move to Canada under a new employment and migration program designed for immigrants. However, the Canadian Embassy took to its official Twitter account on Tuesday, April 16, to dismiss this story as false. And this is what they had to say. If you had seen this link on your social media timeline, don't fall for it. The story is not true. The commissioner posted with a screenshot of the story. The commission further praised the important contribution of Nigerians in Canada, disclosing that over 4,200 Nigerians were approved for permanent residency in 2017. If you see a story online about moving to Canada that seems too good to be true, shine your eyes well, it added. So the Canadians have not taken to using our own language to address us. Canada struggles with illegal Nigerian immigrants. Canada is a major attraction for a lot of Nigerians hoping to escape Nigeria's dire economic conditions, with many heading to the North American country in the past 2 years. Despite its acclaimed openness to Nigerians, the Canadian government is currently battling with the scourge of illegal Nigerian immigrants who have flooded across its border from the United States of America. Between June 2017 and May 2018, Canadian authorities intercepted more than 7,600 Nigerian asylum seekers, with 81% of them having valid U.S. non-resident visas in their possession. The trend of illegal border crossers from Nigeria worried the Canadian government so much that 2 officials were sent to Lagos in 2018 to work directly with their counterparts in the United States Visa Office to collaborate on how to lower the number of migrants who eventually end up making asylum claims in Canada. More recently, the Canadian government adopted a new stringent policy to deal with asylum seekers who illegally cross into the country from the US. So no thank you is what the Canadians are saying. Canada seems to be a destination of choice now for Nigerians, because they do seem receptive to Nigerians, because Nigerians, especially Nigerians of our quality, so people who are offering a particular skill set that the country needs, like nurses and doctors and engineers, etc., especially those forms of profession, they always look for those. So if you have that sort of skill set, or if you have those sort of skill sets, Canada and Australia seems to be the choice for people with those skill sets. I think the United Kingdom as well takes a few of them as well. So there you have it. No free entry to Canada just yet, says the Canadian High Commissioner. And who is in a better position to know than the Canadian High Commissioner? So that's one story debunked right there. So you can cancel that out as a potential country to migrate to. You can still look to migrate, but they are not looking for 1 million, that's for sure, at least not for the moment. So you can cancel that out as a gold rush place, and just focus your attention on other countries. So there you have it. The Canadians not looking for 1 million Nigerians. What say you? Comment in the comment section. But before you comment in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well so you are notified every time I drop a video. Then come talk migration with me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section. But here I say peace.